How to add fade to an image in Wix Studio. So in order to add fade to an image, first things first is to click onto that particular image that you want to apply that animation. Once you have selected that, open right here Inspector by clicking onto this icon. Go over and click onto this animation and effects. And if you have any existing effects, you can either change that or remove it in order to add a new one. So since you want a fade, let's click onto this fade icon that we can see right here. Just click on that, and from in there, you should be able to see an actual preview of how that will look like. You can also adjust the animation in order to increase the duration. For example, let's make it 2 seconds and the delay is 0. Now you can click on preview right here in order to preview it, and once you're done, you can head over and publish it into your actual site. So that's how you add fade to an image in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.